What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset MetaTrader 5 demo account. So if you're looking for a way to reset your MetaTrader 5 demo account here, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to take in consideration. So first things first is if you have a MetaTrader 5 account here, you can actually just create another demo account. So you can actually create one or another one here. So how do you do that? So you want to first go ahead and open up MetaTrader 5 here, and you want to go to your settings at the bottom right of your screen. Now, in the next page here, what you need to do is you just need to choose the option here that says New Account, and you should be able to see a number of options in there. So something that looks like this. So what you need to do is you just need to choose MetaQuotes Ltd here. So it actually depends on what broker you're going to check here. Sometimes some brokers here allows you to create a demo account, but most likely MetaQuotes Ltd would allow you to do so. So if you click on it, you should now have the option to create a demo account here. Go and click on demo account here. So in this case, once you click on it, it should ask you a bunch of some sample details here. You just need to fill that up. And once you've filled out those details up, you can go ahead and just start using your demo account here on MetaTrader 5. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.